The number one thing holding installers back from porcelain isn't skill. It's knowing what to do when something goes wrong. And honestly, that's a fair concern. Porcelain is thin. It can be unforgiving during fabrication, and when a scratch happens or an edge gets damaged on the job, it used to mean an expensive problem with no easy fix. That's exactly why Porcelain Renew exists. With the Porcelain Renew Repair Kit, surface damage isn't a disaster. It's just a repair. Abrasions, surface scratches, edge damage, the kit handles it. Inside, you'll find 5 Step 1 diamond pads, 5 Step 2 diamond pads, 2 8-ounce polishes, 2 no-sling applicators, a boar hair pad, and a foam backer. One kit gives you an average of 3 to 5 surface repairs. You'll just need a variable speed polisher on hand, which we also carry. When something unexpected happens on a job, and sometimes it does, you're not stuck. You fix it and move on. And because porcelain is such a great material to offer clients, the aesthetics, the versatility, the indoor-outdoor performance, the last thing you want is fear of the unexpected stopping you from taking those jobs. We also don't just send you a kit and leave you to figure it out. We're real people, here to support you through training videos and one-on-one calls, so you feel genuinely confident before your next job. Don't let the what-ifs keep you off porcelain jobs. With Porcelain Renew in your truck, you've always got a solution. The Porcelain Renew Repair Kit is available now at quartzrenew.com.